Welcome to our very condensed version of the history of plumbing.
Good day and welcome to 1775. I am Alexander Cummings. And despite our troubles at this time across the Atlantic, I am fighting our own revolution. The revolution of the privy. It is from my design of the U-bend that has allowed me to patent the very first water closet design. This design helps minimize the smells associated with the use of the water closet, and as such will revolutionize the whole world. Of course, venting still seems to be a little bit of an issue, and I have heard stories of explosions. So my intellectual advice would be that if you're to use the privy at night, don't use your candle. Otherwise you might find the experience more enlightening than you would like.